Everybody, today we're going to be upgrading the stock plastic Tamiya steering assembly with the Racing aluminum ball bearing steering set. And this is made specifically for the TT-02, and it's this beautiful blue anodized aluminum. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright, I got it out of the bag. Let me go ahead and show you what's inside. There's an instruction manual, very straightforward, and we're going to figure out how to do this together. All right, nothing on the back. The steering bridge and the two steering arms, looks like there's ball bearings on the top and bottom of each arm, whereas I believe the stock Tamiya uses a shoulder screw setup. We'll take that apart and take a look. And this uses, I believe this is going to be hex. It uses hex screws with a sleeve. So first thing we're going to do is to take this apart. And to take apart the steering, you need to unhook this turnbuckle. You're going to have to take off that ball stud as well. Take off these two screws as well as these two screws. And take off these two turnbuckles as well. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so I'm going to need to recover these three ball joints, and I'll be right back. All right, I just used a really simple wrench there to take off all the ball studs, and you need to pay attention when you're putting this on that according to the instructions, look at that carefully. The straighter side of this bridge go towards the servo arm, where this angled side go towards the front of the car. Okay, that's important because you don't want to flip it this way and then the servo arm can't reach this bridge, so you want to make sure it's this direction. So I'm going to put the ball studs back to their respective places here. And here. And on the car itself, very straightforward. You're putting in two screws here and here with the sleeve, and that will be it. Got the screws right here. And the screws you're going to use are the 14 millimeter. And 14 millimeters are the longest ones. So it's going to be this one and that one. You're going to use the two longer screws. All right, so here is the screw, 14 millimeter screw. and the sleeve, and you're going to put that through the bearing. You're going to make sure that lines up, and go ahead and bring it all the way down into the chassis. Okay, and do the same thing with the other one. Like this, with the sleeve. That is very, very crisp. And we're just going to put the arms back on. I have to use a pair of pliers, but I'm sure you can use your fingers. Alrighty. And put the links back on to the ball studs. Just press down on them. And that's it. That's what it looks like. Let me go ahead and plug a battery in and turn it on. All right, change the camera angle a little bit. There you go. Let me just make sure it's feeling really solid here. All right. That feels a lot better. Well, I hope you like this video. I hope you learned something, how to install the Yacht Racing aluminum steering assembly. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.